Okay, so this is the strategy called Be Your Own Bank. First thing is we don't need all these indicators, so I'm going to switch some of these off. We don't need that one, and we don't need that one. This is Be Your Own Bank. Basically, you turn it over to the Heikin candles, which in itself is an indicator, and you're only concentrating on taking 10 pips. So what you've got to do basically is you have to look through all the charts until you find these are stochastics, until you find the stochastic levels in the extreme over the purple bit, like there, for example. We haven't found one yet, so I'll go down through all these on the 15-minute time frame. This is so. Just let's see if we can actually find one, so we can actually start telling you a bit about the strategy. Right, Euro Chef. On the 15-minute, it's above the purpley bit. Stochastics. This is the extreme, see? We want them in the extreme, either above the 80 line there, or below, that's a good example, below the 20 line on the stochastics. And what we want, we're looking on the 15-minute time frame. So basically, when that it's called a parabolic star, PSAR goes above the price on the 15-minute, and it's heading down on the 5-minute. We know to get in just for 10 pips, and that is the basis of the Be Your Own Bank strategy, and that's how it works. So when that parabolic star flips, as soon as it flips, we get in for 10 pips to write it down, and there is a 93% success rate if we get that correct. As you can see, it's on the big higher time frames, it's waiting to do exactly the same, come back down the stochastics, and that's the trick on it. So that's the basis of the actual strategy. See if we can find a better example, because that's only just over the limit. And incidentally, as tight as the parabolic star is to the candle, the more likely it is to flip in the next 15 minutes. So that's all we're doing, is we're waiting for the flip on the candle, but we have to make sure the stochastics are in the extreme, either over or under that purple bit. I haven't found one as yet. So where was I? GP CAD, wasn't I? No. Yeah, it's just over the line. Obviously, we're waiting for the red line, which is the buyer's line, to be on top of the blue line, which is just about is. But we need a few more confirmations yet, because as soon as that parabolic star flips, we get into the trade for 10 pips, and that is the basis of the strategy. Like I say, if you want to know anything more about it, please give me a call, and we'll go in it with a bit more detail.